Hi, this is Shubho from UST Global. I'm going to talk about how various partners within Intuiface ecosystem can collaborate for profitable growth. First, a little introduction about UST Global. We are born in 1999, headquartered in Orange County, California. Today we are present in 25 countries, 26,000 employees, associates, and 140 Fortune 500 clients. Some of the key verticals where UST Global operates: financial services, healthcare, retail CPG, manufacturing, semiconductor, telecom, and of course, public sector clients. We have offices all over the globe, United States being the head office of UST Global. Our European head office is in Spain. UK, of course, continues to be a big center for development and marketing and sales for us. We are present in almost all countries in Asia Pacific. India, of course, is big for us. So is Singapore. And in multiple other countries, we have a deep presence. These are some of the cities where we are present today. The maroon indicates where we have our innovation lab. We run our cybersecurity team out of Tel Aviv and have got digital innovation labs in some of the key strategic markets. These are some of the enterprise customers for whom we provide software development, software application maintenance, and multiple other supports as the digital partner. You will see some of the marquee brands. Obviously, many of them are under deep NDA, so we wouldn't be able to share those names. But it shows the length and breadth of our expertise and capability. Well, so much about UST Global. Now let's talk about our journey with Intuiface. So this is a short story of UST Global and one of the Intuiface partner from Netherlands, SightCorp. How we worked with SightCorp and what we achieved by working with SightCorp. We were given a challenge of developing an age verification product, age-restricted product kiosk, automated vending solution, and that too inside an autonomous store, very similar to Amazon Go. For that, we needed to build a software solution which would seamlessly verify customers' age, 18 plus above years of age. Now, if we tried building that solution on our own, we estimated that it would have taken us at least 1+ year, maybe many more in months to build that. However, we collaborated with Intuiface partner SightCorp, and we also used in SightCorp's client MobiID for document verification. Using these two combination, the age verification process using computer vision as well as machine learning processes, it became very seamless. We launched this product in January 2021, and this was facilitated essentially by using the DeepSight SDK out of the box, which SightCorp provided to us. You would be wondering that why did we collaborate? We collaborated mainly for two reasons: faster go-to-market and benefit of using a matured product from SightCorp. Utilizing SightCorp's ecosystem to further sharpen the product, that is where MobiID came in. All of these essentially led to higher consumption of Intuiface licensed product. Going forward, it would be certainly the case. As we sell more kiosk, more Intuiface licenses would get sold. Additional revenue opportunity, of course, for SightCorp and MobiID as a valuable partner, and UST acting as a market development partner for companies like SightCorp for this kind of usage, which we personally think is very useful for a company like SightCorp. So it essentially, it creates a winning formula between UST and SightCorp, working together as a collaborative partner, how we can add value to the ecosystem. The second example, this is still in a drawing board stage. We did actually launch this and demonstrate it to our customer, which is today a 100 billion plus retailer, wholesale organization in fact, a gift card digitization platform So they sell a whole lot of gift cards inside their store, and these gift cards take enormous merchandising space inside a store. So we thought about digitizing the whole gift card experience for this customer, used essentially Intuiface core team based out of Chicago office, collaborated with them, and readily deployed a working prototype within a month with just one resource with any prior development experience. Now, if we could have, obviously we worked with Intuiface directly, we could have easily worked with an Intuiface partner with similar capability, which would have facilitated quicker go-to-market for UST Global. So this is another example of how we collaborated with Intuiface and Intuiface partners. So essentially, if you look at it, today the whole world is changing, specifically in retail, quick service restaurant and hospitality resort industry. IoT, voice command, gesture detection are becoming super important. So we see that Intuiface platform is an interactive digital experience. Without having to write a single line of code, one can actually use Intuiface platform to deliver all of these. So in summary, it's essentially a faster, easy and better way of launching any new customer facing experience in today's retail QSR hospitality industry, equally applicable for smart cities and multiple other industries too. Now let's talk about art of possibility, the core topic of discussion today. So I have not taken the previous approval from any of the Intuiface partners whose logo you are going to see here. It's just out of the box presentation for me. So we found that Red Minnow Interactive, their presentation, what they did was very interesting. So this is a snapshot. We have not collaborated with Red Minnow. This is a presentation, the art of possibility. That's why I said a complete digital experience that enables a person to book an appointment for returns. So, and the use case which we picked up is IKEA returns department. Earlier, you could have easily walked into IKEA return and return any merchandise. Today, you have to book an appointment, wait in a queue, wait for your turn, go inside. So how, and it's a physical process. It's a hugely labor intensive process for IKEA too. So here we thought about using the Red Minnow's interactive check-in experience platform, voice recognition platform, which Intuiface has developed using Composer 5.7. And I mentioned Paolo's name, Paolo Tosili's name, who possibly have developed this. Gesture detection technology can come from UST Global. So if you see that this particular technology, we can take it to multiple service centers, apparel, grocery industry for return management, which could be a very interesting interactive solution. So again, UST Red Minnow is a winning formula. The second example which you see, this is of course from Intuiface library, QSR digital menu board. So personalized ordering experience by eliminating long queue. So long queue, nobody wants to stand in a queue, right? So how can we collaborate and create a digital menu board which changes according to the time of the day, according to the day of the week, all of these things, and depending on, of course, the customer demographics. Maybe when it is a summer holiday, you show more of, cuisine which appeals to youngsters, all of those things. So all of these things we can enable using voice and gesture by UST, maybe by another Intuiface partner, all of these things. So areas where it can be used, food court, airlines, specialty stores, and multiple other places where you can deploy this kind of platform. So here, instead of saying that UST Global always, it is open, and that's why I called it partner X plus partner Y. It could be a winning formula where one can collaborate and take it to customers. The third and last example, exploring RFID technology, customer experience lift and learn. So this is also a very interesting example from our context. We have invested in a company and own majority stake in a company called Pictol Labs. Pictol Labs does beautiful online personalization engine and recommendation. So using an RFID technology, RFID plugins from Intuiface, if one is able to build a platform which can quickly collaborate and bridge the online-offline gap, we think it could be a very interesting, valuable solution. So here again, UST partner X, who possibly would have built a solution like this or wants to build a solution, Pictel Labs, it becomes a winning formula. So these were some of the examples which I wanted to illustrate and leave the thought that using Intuiface, one can Intuiface and Intuiface partner ecosystem. The mantra between us could be collaboration, collaboration, and more collaboration, which leads to higher revenue for each ecosystem partner, faster go-to-market, and wider geographical reach. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. Happy to help anytime. These are my coordinates. Of course, I'm going to share the presentation with you. Feel free to reach out. Again, happy to collaborate. Have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you.